We're seeing the biggest revolution in transport in a century, and this is happening much quicker than people realise. This is driven by governments and legislation and comprises of two elements: road safety and zero emissions. Road safety is being addressed by advanced driver assistance systems. Almost all passenger vehicles now sold in the UK have some form of ADAS, whether that's autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist or adaptive cruise control. Our technicians are trained with specialist equipment. Diagnostic identification will soon be as essential as repairing or painting a panel, and it's our job to make sure that our people, our frontline teams, are educated in the awareness of ADAS and electric vehicles so they can have a meaningful conversation with our customer. The second element, zero emissions, is addressed by electric vehicles and the use of lighter materials such as aluminium and carbon fibre. A large portion of the passenger car market is made up of company cars. These new technologies are being advanced because of this, and probably quicker than expected. To ensure that we can repair these new and future technologies safely and economically, AW have launched our new technology centres, which specialise in the structural repair of these electric and multi-material vehicles.
It's a constantly evolving industry, and we've got to stay ahead of the game. You can't be behind. Every time there's new technology comes out with vehicles, we've got to do the training. 2030, every vehicle is going to be either a hybrid or fully electric, so we've got to be prepared for that.
Technology centres have isolated repair booths, and we continuously invest in the equipment and our people so that we can repair these ever complex technologies.